Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by selecting the object you want to move and immediately add a motion path from the Animations tab. Once done, pick a path shape that matches the intended travel, line, arc, or custom, because path geometry dictates motion fluidity. Make sure to open Effect options to set the direction and endpoints. This is the first actionable step that defines where the object starts and ends, so adjust endpoints now rather than later to avoid rework. Next, refine the path using edit points. Drag anchors to create smooth curves, and add points where you need direction changes, because precision here controls perceived speed. Then, adjust duration and delay to match timing with voice or slides. Longer duration slows motion, shorter speeds it up. Make sure to enable Smooth Start or Smooth End for eased movement, and use the animation pane to reorder or align this motion with other effects. To finish, preview your motion path in slideshow and watch timing, because small timing errors become obvious during playback. Once done, convert to a custom path if you need freehand movement, but make sure the object's origin point matches the path start. If misaligned, use Reset or reposition the object. If motion jitters, check stacking order, remove conflicting animations, and simplify points. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes most path problems, so test again.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.